Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and begin to circle open and around for an external hip rotation, waking up your right hip. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Continue breathing deeply as you lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Draw your right knee in towards your chest with your left hand to your right leg. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, lift your left leg, and circle open and around for an external hip rotation. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation. Pausing, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase the stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. With your right hand to your left leg, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support. Unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.